Well, the biggest social media success story of 2012 seems to be Pinterest. Pinterest is a virtual pin board that allows you to organize, browse, and share all the wonderful things you find online. The site already has over 10 million users, and 97% of Pinterest Facebook fans are women. So Missy, are you on Pinterest, or did you just discover this because of this story that we're doing?
I just discovered it because of this story. It's incredible.
Aren't you Pinterested now?
I'm totally Pinterested. I saw on the front page they had these little bibs with like a tie for babies, so I'm going to get a baby off of Pinterest, and then I'm going to get some bibs.
Oh, well, what do you think? I mean, you're in the tech scene. You cover all this stuff.
I'm great. I'm all for a new way to waste time. I don't have that time to waste anymore. So I guess people are using it as sort of an online collage tool, and I know a lot of people in the creative space, they use the old-fashioned corkboard with, let's make a mood board and figure out what the vision is for this project or this idea or this hobby. So I think that's cool that they're bringing it to the virtual space, but you know, how is it going to be monetized?
Well,
what's the exit strategy?
So,
Pinterest.
what do you think?
Look, I think this is sort of the state of the modern social network.
Mm-hmm.
Like we first connected our graph. It started with Friendster, then MySpace, and of course Facebook. Now our graph is fully laid out. Like I'm not missing any like second grade friends that haven't found me that want to. Now it's about like, let's start like organizing and collecting, and I think curating, if you will. I think we're going to see more of this, and I think that's what really the trend is here. It's like Pinterest is just a way it gets struck on with a community of women interested in crafts and fashion. But I think we'll see more of this curation behavior around video, around photos, probably around other things that we're not even thinking about.
Well, yeah, Bianca Bosker, who's a friend of mine who's a great writer on Huffington Post Tech, she wrote a piece called "The Secret to Pinterest Success, We're Sick of Each Other." So she goes, look at me is the whole thing right now. It has been with Facebook and Twitter. Pinterest posts urge, look at this. So there's a bit of a shift going on there.
Right.
Are you interested in that shift? Do you think this is going to be as big as Facebook or take it over?
You know, I think it's a little too soon to be calling those shots. I'm sure people with Pinterest stock would say absolutely. But you know, I like the look at this as opposed to look at me approach. Like, I think that's interesting, but it's only a matter of time before, like, because for Twitter, for me at first, it was look at this, look at this, look at this. And then as you amass a following and more people glom onto it, it becomes, hey, by the way, look at me and look at all these things that I'm doing. And then I think that's, you know, Pinterest might go that route as well, where it's, well, that my Pinterest is me, so look at this. And by the way, there's a flyer from a new show, and here's a YouTube video that I did.
Stuff?
I think, you have to find a little bit of a balance. It's just like everything in this world.
Yes, I agree.
But now you're seeing, I mean, you're seeing media publishers jump into Pinterest, and it's kind of like become the thing to do. I think it's at 13 million users right now. It could grow, but now that you sort of like flood this with sort of that sort of look at me type of content, it could dilute the real value of why Pinterest was.
And it's grown so much since January, so that says a lot.
Does Glee have a Pinterest? I'm
sure they
where
will.
You can pin your Get Glue stickers on the board as well. Because we all, right?
Yes.
Get Glue, are they doing it right now? Are they getting their stickers?
What? Get Glue. People watching right now should be getting
your
their
glue stickers, kids.
Stickers.
Get on a skateboard,
and
grab the glue sticker.
As you check in online and then you get a real sticker. Well, according to Lemon daily traffic on Pinterest has increased by over 145% since the start of 2012. Wow. And this is the best, they only have 14 employees.
Amazing.
That's cool.
And we have about 14 employees here. We're huge.
Can I paint your walls for 20% or for some stock? Can I get the
yes,
Facebook thing?
we will give you stock if you want to do free labor.